our friendship with Ruto is unstoppable. Whether you are an activist or senator from Nairobi, you are making noise, that is your business. Our friendship with Ruto is unstoppable. We will not stop it. Because as elected leaders, we have brains. We have brains and we know where the country is coming from and where the country is going. So when we make a decision to work with the president, you cannot come and lecture us. That, you know, because you think you know better English. Don't lecture us. We are brains and we have made a decision to work with President Ruto. And it is unstoppable. It's going to happen. How many people want us to work with Ruto? We are going to work with Ruto, whether you like it or not.